Okay, here's a quick fix on how to fix this issue with BCR. BCR is a popular call recording app for rooted Android devices, and so customs comes with this BCR. BCR stands for Basic Call Recorder. So this is the problem I'm having with BCR. Track can't be played. So this is the issue with some of the newer Android operating system, Android 14, 15, and 16, especially 15 and 16. By default, BCR will save the call recording to the Android folder, Android data folder, which is very difficult to access sometimes. If you don't have root on your device, it will be difficult to access this folder. So this is it saves the call recording at Android data folder. So this is how I fix this issue. Any audio clip that saves on the default data folder, it doesn't play the track. It will say track can't be played. So here's how I fix the issue. Open BCR app, click on output directory, and make sure you change the directory. Click on change directory. So now I created a folder called recordings on my internal storage. Then I use this folder as BCR call directory. You can see right here, primary recordings. So that's how I fix this issue. That's all you have to do. Just make sure you change the directory, remove the default directory from data folder, and create your own. After that, I was able to fix the issue. So I'm going to play some of the clips right here.
Hello?
Hey, flash him.
Hey.
Okay.
No, don't tell me.
So that's how I fix the issue of the call recording clips not playing. I hope you find this video helpful.